Welcome to Boliqueime, a charming village nestled in the heart of the Algarve. Today, we are in São Faustino, just a short minute drive from Vila Moura, and its stunning marina, beaches, restaurants, and fantastic golf courses, whilst still enjoying the peacefulness of country life. I'm Fred from Mapro Night Frank. Let me show you around. This villa comprises 4 bedrooms and reflects perfectly the essence of Boliqueime's serene lifestyle. My favorite feature, this 180 sea view. From east to west, from Vila Moura to Portimão, from sunrise to sunsets. For more information about this listing, please visit our website with the reference 3937 or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.